Are you one of those guys in the clubs that look like morons and tap away as soon as they hear the bass? Because that functions as a woman repeller. Well, we're gonna change that. Hi, I'm Bassa, and I'll show you the music in a way that you never seen before. So we will start with baby steps. So I will choose the psychedelic track, which is understandable for your mind, yet again it's uplifting. So we would feel the nice and comfy energy inside of us, okay? If you like the track, it's down in the description. Go get it. First things first, once you're in the club, you have to choose what are you listening to. Let me explain. Some tracks are very complex, and your brain can't hear separate sounds, especially when your speakers are blasting very loud. It's like cheerleading effect. When you see a lot of girls, they all look great, right? As soon as you start cherry pick one by one, you will see specific differences. So, back to the club. What sound do you seek? Is it bass? Is it mids? Highs? Maybe singular sounds? Or vocals? Whichever you prefer. Well, in this case I would go for lows, as they are dominant in this track, which defines as a kick and bass. It is the one with the lowest frequency. Let me demonstrate you how it feels and looks like. And regarding dance, I personally do double step, which is classic tapping on the floor that makes you energetic, up the beat, and helps you not to spill your drink. You can do single tapping as well, but I use those when there's a bridge in the track or when I need to walk around the room freely. Let me know in comments if you know any other technique, as I don't see how triple or quadruple works on a dance floor. Once we established our legs in action, we can listen to highs or mids that can trigger our hands. Let me demonstrate. In this case, I would choose that mystical water drop sound. Can you hear it? Let's focus on that droplet for a while and see how it looks together with double tap on a floor. Yet again, if you're in a club and it's too loud and you actually can't hear or find the sound that you actually like, then get out of that club ASAP, because their sound system is absolute garbage. But if you prefer to stay, then find just the classical hi-hats and move your hands in such way. It will sparkle your character and feel energetic. And people might stare at you. Yeah, I've been there. Now that you see for yourself that electronic music can be very interesting and a lot more than just oots, 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 you can go and train your senses in public places. Remember, practice makes it better. This is just the tip of an iceberg. If you want to familiarize with psychedelic field, then I recommend artist Vini Vici. He has great pieces with very distinctive sounds that you can recognize with ease. Other than that, let me know in comments what's your take on this. As we all hear music in a different way, I'm pretty sure we can find the common ground. Or should I say, the common beat. Till next time, yours truly, Boss Alive. Ciao.